Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I come up with an excited product, Acer wireless mouse. So I'm going to unbox and going to give full review on Acer wireless mouse. So let's check it out. So this is the box of the mouse. On the back side, it has provided some features and specifications of the mouse. See, and this mouse comes in a three colors: green, blue, white. So this mouse in a white color. Let's unbox this. Okay, so here's the mouse. Oh, and one C-type cable, and yeah, and one user manual. So this is the mouse. It is looking very premium and very good looks. And this is the cable for charging, and this is a user manual. Inside this, it's provided some functions of the mouse and instructions how to use this. So this is the mouse, you can see here. The model number of this mouse is ACR001 and it's a wireless mouse. It's a good look with a transparent view, you can see all around this, with a Type-C cable, and it has a 400 mAh battery. It works approx 30 days on a single charge. Okay, so let's check. So this is a scroll wheel, and here right button, left button, you can see here. This is the DPI button. It will manage cursor speed up to 800, 1200 and 1600 also. And this is the desktop button. This will switch to the desktop on a single click. It is a security feature of this button. For example, if you are on a desktop, if you are on a website and if you want to switch directly to the desktop, so this button will work for that. So it is very secure. It has a security feature. This is the cover. We can remove also. It's attached by the magnet. Here it is a slot of USB receiver. So see, it can attached by a magnet. Here is the logo light. It will change the color. And this is the battery status. You can check, it will indicate the battery status. And yeah, we can attach this. Behind this, you can see here is the button. In the middle of this, if the button is on the middle, so it will turn off. If you click the button on the downside, it will connect via Bluetooth or with any devices. If you turn this button upside, it will connect via USB receiver by this. Yeah, we have to connect to the laptop, so it will connect directly. So let's test this. Let's connect via USB receiver. And click this button upside. Now let's check. It will connect it. You can see here it is working very smoothly. The cursor is moving very fast. Here you can see. Yeah, it's very good, very fine. I really like this. Now let's check via Bluetooth. Okay, Now turn this button downside and let's check. You can see here Acer BT 5.2 mouse. Now let's connect. Connected. See, on this mode also it is working very smooth. You can see. Yeah. So guys, it is very good and very useful product. You can see I really like this and really like this features and function about this mouse. It is work on the two modes. It will work via Bluetooth mode and it will connect via a USB. So it is very worth it. Hope you guys like my video. Please do subscribe and hit that bell icon and stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. So thanks for watching.